Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video I'm so excited about a newer feature in Google Docs that I'm going to talk to you about called Smart Chips. Just a way to get things done just a little bit quicker. So stay with me and we're going to go right over to Google Docs and see what I'm talking about. So here we are over in a Google Doc. I've got a brand new blank Google Doc ready to go, and we're going to type some information on it just as an example. And I'm excited to show you this feature called Smart Chips. So when you're here in a Google Doc, you have some options, and obviously you have all of your things up here where you can insert images and videos, all of that media. You have your bold and underline, and then many of you may know when you add a comment over here, you can tag a person. So if I add a comment and tag a coworker, that's available right there, and they'll get a notification saying, hey, come check this comment. But right here in my Google Doc, inside of the document, if I click on the @ symbol, shift and the number 2, I have several options. I can add a person here, and it will tag her. And notice at the beginning, if they don't already have access to the document through sharing, you'll need to share the document with them. I'm going to dismiss that right now so she does not get that notification. But again, if I use the @ symbol, there's all kinds of information here. So look right here in my meeting notes. If I click on meeting notes, it's going to give me several things here, and I can click a meeting date and it will create a little template for me. And this is what I love, being able to have a template to put something together. And I can make an agenda of this meeting right here ready to go. So again, that's the @ symbol and the meeting notes. I can also attach a file right inside of the Google Doc. So if I hit the @ symbol, it has some of my recent files, or if I click the arrow, it'll give me several things. So if I use my Classroom Technology FAQ document, I click the @ symbol, went to the file section, and it attaches that file as a link right inside of my Google Doc. So I really love these shortcuts. Also, it gives me a shortcut to give me the checklist feature, the numbered list, the bulleted list. And then I can also add quick images, tables, drawings, charts from here. If I need an image, I can go out to my drive, my photos, or search. If I need an image of a groundhog for Groundhog's Day, we can insert him right in here, just like we would if we went to insert image and such as that. But again, I could do it quickly right inside the document with the shift and the number 2 using the @ symbol. And so many other things. You can insert a date and shows you the format that you want. That's just quickly, almost like a quick extra keyboard shortcut. These Smart Chips are here. Your titles, your headings, your events, headers, footers, watermarks, all of those things that you find up here in the top menu are there ready for you to use as a Google Smart Chip. Okay, so hopefully you find something you can use as a quick, if you're a shortcut person and like to do things quickly instead of clicking the mouse several times. So that is Google Smart Chips. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that you can find useful. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find more of my videos here on Tech Imaginations for your technology tutorial needs. You have a great day, be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.